Hello my friends, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to the Prime Math Lovers YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to solve this radical complex equation. Square root of x plus 7 plus square root of x is equal to 7. Test your skills and try to solve it before watching the video. And in the comment please let me know what you think about the equation and how did you solve it. Okay, to start, I try to isolate the square roots. So I take roots of x to the right hand side, and so I will have roots of x plus 7 is equal to 7 minus roots of x. And now to eliminate the square roots, I square both sides of the equation, so I'll have roots of x plus 7 squared is equal to 7 minus roots of x to the power of 2. Now I need to squares in this 7 minus square root of x, and for this I use this algebra identity which says a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So, on the first side of the equation, this squared cancel this square roots, and I'll have square root of x plus 7 is equal to a squared. A is 7, so it will be 49 minus 2ab minus 2 times 7 times roots of x plus b squared. B is roots of x. When we take it to the power of 2, it will be square root of x. I can cancel this roots of x on the first side with this root of x on the second side, and I'll have 7 is equal to 49 minus 2 times 7 will be 14 roots of x. And I take 14 roots of x to the first side and 7 to the second side. So I will have 14 roots of x is equal to 49 minus 7. And 49 minus 7 is 42. So if I divide both sides by 14, I'll have roots of x is equal to 42 over 14. And 42 over 14 is 3. So roots of x is equal to 3. So to eliminate square roots, I square both sides. So I'll have square roots of x is equal to 3 to the power of 2, which will be 9. Again, I square both sides to eliminate these square roots, and I will have x is equal to 9 to the power of 2, or 18. As simple as that. I hope you found this video enlightening. Your support would mean the world to us. Please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and sharing this video with your friends. Thank you sincerely for your support. Wishing you an absolutely fantastic time wherever you are on this planet.